Hi everyone. Just wanted to go over registration with you. This is on the GMWA national.net page. It's also on the GAG-thealliance.org website as well. So you will click on the link for convention and it'll bring you to the registration details. And you will notice that there is registration for delegates. There is registration for Alliance of Gospel Music Professionals. There's an early pre-registration period through the 20th. You want to take advantage of those savings. Then pre-registration, late registration, extended late on-site registration. You can even pre-order songbooks. You can register for nightly musicals. You can purchase ads. And the good news, this year, 2024, there's one registration fee. That's right, one registration fee, whether you're a delegate, a member of a chapter, or a member of the Alliance. There's one registration fee. If you are a member of a chapter and an Alliance, please do your registration under the Alliance of Gospel Music Professionals so that that designation will be on your badge. If you do not do that, you will have to pay a fee to get that designation put on your badge. You will need that designation on your badge to attend Alliance events. All right, let's register. Click on register at the bottom of the page. As I stated earlier, the delegate registration is above, but if you're a member of the Alliance, you want to do the Alliance registration. And here are the categories. We have the professional category, radio, TV, internet, and we have the one-day passes. You can only buy for up to 2 days. The passes, we have early registration if you are a label, and you would indicate however many members. There is even a label one-day pass, so your appropriate designations will be there. We're going to, for the sake of this demo, do the first category under pre-early registration period, which we are in till the 20th, radio, TV, internet, your personality. I'm going to click how many you're registering for. We're going to do one. We're going to continue. After you continue, now you see on the left, Alliance of Gospel Music Professional, pre-early registration. Then it's going to ask you, which alliance are you affiliated with? And you would in the drop down select your alliance. Your alliance affiliation, you want to select from the drop down how long you've been participating. And you're going to pick your early registration fee. And again, based on your age, just as it is for the delegates, it's just one fee this year. So you pick your fee and you insert your name information. I'm going to pick your birthday. I'm just picking something randomly here. Just picking a date. Okay. Put the phone number in. Put the email. Put your email information in. Now notice, under the performance division, you can also, if there are other departments that you participate in, such as, the James Cleveland Gospel Chorus or the Mass Choir or any of these other areas, please note that some of them do have additional fees that you'll need to pay, and those go up incrementally. But if you already know that Women of Worship you participate, you can check those as well. You can order a songbook, whichever songbook you want as well. And you must, it says Alliance membership required, so you must indicate that you are a member of the Alliance in order to continue. Click continue, and now you have your fee, $125 plus the processing fee. And you're going to get an email confirmation, and you want to hold on to that, because if you need to make any changes, then you would do that. And after you do that, it allows you can create an account if you like, but you'll insert your card information and you will pay. But hold on to your confirmation, because once you get that confirmation, any changes you need to make, any updates, that's how you would do it. You'd be able to go to that confirmation and do it. But congratulations on registering. Take advantage of this early registration, $127.75. And that is irregardless of, whether you're registering with each category. So let's delete this. Let's go back, shall we? You want to see how it works with the company registration? You say, yes, 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 Linda, we do. Okay, let's look at that one. Let's look at it if you're doing, your company. Let's say there are 2 people in your company. There's you, the artist. If it's only one, you'd only click one. But if there's you and your manager are a part of your label, you're registering under your label, you're going to go to the category that says company label, and however many people you have, you click on there. The fee is the same. And again, you have the opportunity to participate in all of these other categories if you so choose to do so. Nightly services and the ads. You click continue. You will have to do your station information or your company information. Okay, and you're going to put your attendee in there. This is your first attendee, right? Because you have 2. You're going to put the email in, because each person will get an email confirmation. Okay, I'm going to put the phone number in. You're going to pick that, how long they've been a member. You're going to pick, according to their age category, their fee. You're going to put in date of birth information. This is your first attendee. '54. Put in the station website. The station email address. Okay, station phone number. I'm going to put the station phone number. The address of the station. What city? What state? I'm just putting something in for, okay, it's United States, so we got that. Oh, no, we need to get the state. Okay, and no, we're not doing the performance any other divisions, so this is it. We're not getting a songbook alliance. Okay. Okay, let me pick a better email. Okay, got the email in there. Let's do Greensboro so we don't have. Okay. All right. No, we're not checking anything else, so we filled out everything. We're going to click continue. Boom. So that's the first person. So now the first person in your team is in. You're going to go back through and do the same thing again for the second person in your team. Okay. Yukon, this is going to be okay, Greenwood. Still going to put the email the same, the phone number the same. And maybe they haven't been a member as long. Their category 9. She's a younger person, so 94. Okay, same station. Everything else is going to be the same, but you could change it. Okay, you could change it here if it's different, but your company information pretty much would probably be the same, right? And you now registered your second person. If you want to get a songbook or anything, make sure you remember Alliance membership. You do need to click that. And there's your 2 people. And look at your feed. And you're going to get an email confirmation. And remember, you want to keep that email confirmation because any changes, if one of you decides you can't make it or you need to add another person, joy, you can still do that. Through your email confirmation that you'll receive, you can make changes and updates to your registration, keeping in mind the different registration periods. Okay, keeping in mind, I'm just removing these because I wanted to show you this in a demo form, but keeping in mind those different registration periods. 1159, if you're in the middle of doing your registration, when those periods change, you may end up paying the new amount. So you need to get it done before 1159. If you're in the process and 1159 clicks, you could end up paying the new amount and we would not be able to adjust that. So congratulations. Take advantage of this early registration period, and we look forward to seeing you in Memphis, July the 14th through the 19th.